Hey guys, got something new in the mail. Caught a sale on the Anycubic Kobra 3 on Amazon, and it took like a day, I think a day to get here. So I'm gonna unbox this, and I'm gonna show you guys what I'm gonna be doing. All right, see you soon. So this is the Anycubic Kobra 3 combo with the Ace. I can change out filaments or print 4 colors at once, and this is pretty cool. This is the 3rd iteration of the Kobra. I got the first one that I bought off of Facebook Market, and I love it. After a lot of tinkering with it. But I got it dialed in, and we're going to see how the first prints go off for this one. Right now it's doing this auto leveling sequences and then vibration calibration. Start my first print. Starting big. I got time to do other stuff. It's going to be an 8-hour print. But look how nice this printer looks. It doesn't look like anything Anycubic has done in the past. Here's my Ace. All my colors are loaded in, and I'm getting ready to do this mana shark that I got off of STLFLX. So I downloaded the app on the phone and synced it with the printer, and I'm sending the print to the printer from the phone, which is pretty cool. You can choose all the colors that you want, and I didn't do it correct the first time, but as you'll see in the video that I did go back and correct it. Even though this is a happy mistake, like my man Bob Ross would say. Yeah, this thing is fast. It's capable up to 600 millimeters a second. I see it. And cue the music. You already know it's my son, Fumes. It's my signature sound for the channel.
It's not a part that you would print in that orientation in high-tech materials, but it's a really cool use case. Trying to show you if it's possible. Let's go down that route. First up is PLA. Now, the PLA, at first, didn't work. Go figure. Both the black, the first Galaxy Black, and the Hi-Fi Blue, they seem confused at that first price point. Let's see, I did 240C on the nozzle, 70C on the vent. So the first print was a failure, and the reason was because of the nozzle alignment. Now, Ken is able to do automatic nozzle alignment. And what I didn't realize at the time was I had done a nozzle replacement on one of the heads. So the alignment wasn't perfect in their job. So, I printed it again. And sure enough, they work great. I knew PLA was going to be slightly easy, and so that's why I used the IDEX system to use 2 different PLA variants, Blue Cement and the Hi-Fi Blue, and just did each piece of it. And they look great, they work out, and so PLA, of course. So next up, I wanted to try some PCADX from Polymate.
Okay, so it's been about 7 hours or so. It says it was going to take until maybe 8.5 hours, but it didn't print the colors that I wanted originally. I wanted this part to be the dark blue like that, and then a little turquoise in here, but it's still cool. But I'm gonna attempt to do it again, and oops, sorry. This is what I printed on the Anycubic Kobra 1. Took me a few times to get those right, because I tried to print it in PETG, and my nozzle wasn't set correct, and I ended up destroying that nozzle, and I ordered a new nozzle with a nice hot end, and man, that thing's been printing like a champ. So right now, I am printing. Can you see? Printing a basket, a waste basket for the little poops that come out of there. Cause you look on my floor, y'all poopy. But no, I do like this printer, and I plan on using it for a whole lot of things. So yeah, stay tuned. So this is the print tower that I made. All this is just cleaning the nozzle and purging in between layers, and then the other purges are poop. Oh, that's what they call it. Pretty much what it is. The shit that's left over. But this guy, this is my first successful printer for me. And for some reason the tolerances are just way better on this printer. I know my other printer is dialed in pretty good, but it took a lot to get this to flex. I had to actually, pop these and make them flex. If you look at this one, this is made of PETG. He won't flex at all. Not even if I bend them. And there were worse ones, but yeah, big difference between. Look at that, it's so smooth. I can't wait to print the next one. I want to sell them, but I don't want to get them my good ones. All right, let's go back to the Vinci. These are so cool. Okay, so now it's generating G-code, and I'm getting ready to send it to the printer over the cloud. But this time I got my colors right. As you can see, that's the way I wanted it printed. So stand by. I did send the Manta over to the printer, but I decided to print a Benchy test first, being that it only takes 13 minutes to print a Benchy on this machine. Just like that, this thing is going fast. I haven't seen a printer move this fast ever. So now we're at 21%. Now this is only sped up ×2, so just imagine how fast it's still going at regular speed. This is this 15-minute Benchy. Yo, I don't know what kind of results they was expecting on other tests, but this is great. Still got all the detail on the bottom. The overhangs, they're perfect. Trying to get my camera to zoom in better. Stop looking fuzzy, but look at that. It's perfect. There's no stringing or nothing. That's on 15 minutes or less. No, 13. Yeah. This thing is the truth. So yeah. Let's try some more stuff. This is my first mod. Use some magnets. Put this up here. I could scoot it a bit closer to the table so it's more sturdy. Capture the extra work. Watching the last layer go is wild because it's going fast and it just abruptly stops.
We actually drove units out from our storage unit on the East Coast to our storage unit on the West Coast this winter. And Lewis is that back.
It's safe to say these are some beautiful prints. I printed with some Hatchbox PLA that I bought off of Facebook Market and just ran through my dryer while it was printing. I'm really in love with this printer. I went on Amazon and I ordered it, and it came 2 days later to my doorstep. I was gonna go on Anycubic, but I decided to go on Amazon because I trust how fast it would come. Also, it was a toss-up between Bamboo Labs printer and this one, and I just like the enclosed filament housing that the Ace has. It's just better. So, like I said, it came the next 2 days, and I was on my way. If you want to order off the Amazon, not Amazon, but the Anycubic site, then you know it's pretty clear and cut on here also. They're celebrating their 9th anniversary. I see. I have a few of their printers that I've used. I had a hang-ups with 2 of them, but for the most part, it's still better than the stuff that I bought from Creality by far. Because everything that I have by Creality is either in the dumpster or in storage waiting to be fixed. But if you like this, stay tuned for more, and please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you guys in the future. All right, peace out.